She told you to do that. Oh, wow. Oh, you can really choke. It went like... Foxy, are you okay? Right. I totally understand. Can you breathe, Foxy? Good luck sleeping with that tonight. Where'd you learn that from? Oh, right. Heard that before. Coming from upstairs. Yes. Is it the end? Oh, right. Oh. She died?
I don't know. If I don't have a dog tomorrow, you guys know why.
Yeah. Foxy, you alright? Give me your throat.
Come here, give me your throat.
Get it out. You good? Is it because you launched at my child before? There you go, you good?
I think she's better.
Yeah, problem solved.
She needed was a bit of a neck stretch.
Subscribe.
I'm
I'm no vet.
Well, if I don't have a dog tomorrow, you know why.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
In screen, peace.